Now I want to solve the problem y is equal to, now I want to solve this problem y is equal to sine inverse 2 to the power x plus 1, 1 plus 4 to the power x. So this is a different type of problem. You here use the law of exponent. 2 to the power x plus 1 can be written as 2 into 2 to the power x. And 4 to the power x can be written as 1 plus 2 to the power x whole square. So my dear student, now we put the value of 2x is equal to tan theta. So whole expression will be in the form of sine 2 theta. That's why we put 2 to the power x is equal to tan theta. And 2 to the power x whole square is equal to tan square theta. So what do you observe? Y is equal to sine inverse 2 into tan theta, 1 plus tan square theta. That is sine inverse sine 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. And y is equal to 2 tan inverse 2 to the power x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 tan inverse 2 to the power x. That is 2, 1 by 1 plus 2x whole square, 2 to the power x whole square. And dy dx of 2 to the power x. And it will be 2, 1 plus 4 to the power x. And differentiation of dy by dx of 2 to the power x is 2 to the power x log 2. So after simplifying, we have 2 to the power x plus 1 log 2, 1 plus 4 to the power x. This is the dy by dx of this function. This problem is very, very important. Why? Because it is in the form of exponential form. And we, after simplification, we here get it in this form of 2 into 2 to the power x, 1 plus 2 to the power x whole square. And now, in this way, I hope you would be solve this problem. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, my dear students, now we want to solve some board problems. And this problem was asked in All India CBSE examination 2010. And also, as I hope, this is very, very important. And it was asked in also in different years of CBSE board examination. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Cos inverse 3x plus 4 into root over 1 minus x square by 5 with respect to x. So my dear student, I want to simplify this expression. And this is cos inverse 3x plus 4 root over 1 minus x square by 5. And it can be written as cos inverse 3 by 5 into x plus 4 by 5 root over 1 minus x square. Now put x is equal to cos alpha. Then you write here cos inverse 3 by 5 cos alpha plus 4 by 5 sin alpha. Now consider 3 by 5 is equal to cos r cos theta and 4 by 5 is equal to r sin theta. And after simplifying, we have 9 by 25 plus 16 by 25 is equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. It gives us r square is equal to 1, and dividing 3 by 2 we get tan theta is equal to 4 by 3. So theta is equal to tan inverse 4 by 3. Now putting all these value in equation first, it will be y is equal to cos inverse cos theta into cos alpha, sin theta into sin alpha, and it is cos inverse cos of angle alpha minus theta, and this is y is equal to alpha minus theta, and y is equal to cos inverse x minus tan inverse 4 by 3. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx cos inverse x minus dy dx tan inverse 4 by 3, and it will be dy by dx minus root over 1 minus x square minus 0. So in this way, you can solve this problem. And I advise you is that you must solve this type of problem 4 by 4 and 5 times. It will give you the confidence. Now, I want to solve Problem number 10. Find dy by dx if y is equal to e to the power sin square x within the bracket 2 tan inverse x root over 1 minus x by 1 plus x. And this is CBSE sample question paper 2017. My dear student, here we put x is equal to cos theta. Here in this expression, tan inverse root over 1 minus x, 1 plus x. You have to simplify this. And for this purpose of simplification, we put here x is equal to cos theta. Then tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta 2. Now tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta by 2. And it will be tan inverse tan theta by 2. And it will be theta by 2. Then the value of tan inverse root over 1 minus x1 plus x is equal to half cos inverse x. So now from first and second we have y is equal to e to the power sin square x into cos inverse x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e sin square x into cos inverse x. And this is e to the power sin square x d by dx of cos inverse x plus cos inverse x d by dx of e to the power sin square x, e to the power sin square x, and d by dx of cos inverse x is minus 1 root over 1 minus x square plus cos inverse x plus e to the power sin square x and d by dx of sin square x. So my dear student, in this way we have minus e to the power sin square x root over 1 minus x square, e to the power sin square x cos inverse 2 sin x d by dx of sin x. So it will be minus e to the power sin square x root over 1 minus x square plus e to the power sin square x cos inverse x 2 sin x into cos x. So now dy by dx is equal to minus e to the power sin square x divided by root over 1 minus x square plus 2 sin x into cos x e to the power sin x into cos inverse x. In this way, we can solve this type of problem. So I hope you have understood me, you have followed me. Now, I want to solve next problem. My dear student, find the derivative of the following functions fx with respect to x at x is equal to 1. Cos inverse sine root over 1 plus x by 2 plus x to the power x. Now, this is the combination of two types of functions. Y is equal to cos inverse sine of root over 1 plus x by 2 plus x to the power x. And this will be cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus root over 1 plus x by 2, x to the power x. This is very important. This conversion is very important. So it will be y is equal to pi by 2 minus root over 1 plus x by root 2 plus x to the power x. So now in my opinion, this problem is combination of two types of function, logarithmic function also and trigonometrical function also. So this is very, very important. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx, dy dx of pi by 2 minus dy dx of root over 1 plus x by root 2 and dy dx of x to the power x. So it will be 0 and dy dx of root over 1 plus x by root 2. This is 1 by 2 root 2 root over 1 plus x. Now dy dx of x to the power x. Let u is equal to x to the power x. Then taking log both sides, we have log u log of x to the power x. So log u is equal to x into log x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get dy dx of log u is equal to dy dx of x into log x. That is 1 by u du by dx, x dy dx of log x plus log x dy dx of x. And it is x dy dx of log x 1 by x plus log x. And so it will be 1 plus log x. And now du by dx is equal to u into 1 plus log x. And the value of u is equal to du by dx is equal to x to the power x 1 plus log x. From first and second we have dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 2 root over 1 plus x to the power x, 1 plus log x. And hence at x is equal to 1, dy by dx at x is equal to 1 is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus 1, that is 3 by 4. In this way we can solve this type of problem. Thank you very much.